This is shortcam 2, and this is the software of shortcam 2, and right now we are looking at thermal imagery. If I put my hand down there, it also shows the temperature of my hand. So we are gonna test the motherboard on it, and we will see which spot is getting hot on the motherboard, and I'll let you know. Now shortcam is on the motherboard, and we are testing it right now. And as you can see, this spot is getting hot, and I think it's a coil that is getting hot. It's a coil. Let's check other spots of the motherboard. Thermal cam makes things easy to detect problem with the motherboard. Right now you can see the temperature as well. It's disconnected. Disconnect